Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, darling. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, darling. May you live long. May you keep prospering. And may you love me more. Come here, darling.
I've been in traffic for hours. And I need some rest. So I want to go upstairs and freshen up.
Yeah, okay. I understand you're tired. I'm sorry for the traffic. But it's your birthday and I need to celebrate you my way. Can you please do me the honors of cutting your cake and sharing a bottle of wine with me before you go upstairs to freshen up?
I don't have strength for this. I am really, really tired and I need to rest.
Honey, I'm just trying to celebrate you in a special way. Can you just cut your cake? That's my own way of telling you how much I love you. Please.
Wait, are you trying to poison me with your cheap-looking cake and your cheap-ass-looking wine? Is that it? Is that what you're trying to do?
Poison you?
Poison me.
Have you lost it? What are you talking about? Why would I poison you?
You know what? I don't have strength for you nagging again. I have 29 staffs under me and you know how crazy that is. So if you just do me the favor and let me go upstairs and rest. Please.
You know what?
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a damn about you. So please.
Really?
Yes, I don't.
Whatever happened at your office has nothing to do with your home. This is your home. This is your place. All I'm trying to do is celebrate you. You don't have to talk to me rudely. The next time you talk to me rudely, you won't like what might happen. So just stop it, okay?
And what exactly would you do? What would you do? No, tell me. What? Look, you could celebrate me in any way. Besides this, what happened to flying your wife to the Bahamas, to Dubai, to Paris, to the Maldives, to London? What happened to all that? To somewhere luxurious and sweet? But no, you're here trying to celebrate me with some cheap-ass looking cake and some cheap-ass looking wine. Look, I don't have time for this. Please. I need to go upstairs.
I will celebrate you my way. The next time you try to compare me with people, I can send you to this country. I can go with you to that country. I don't care about that. You are my wife.
And if you care, you would let me go upstairs and rest.
Listen to me. You will respect me. You will honor me.
Okay.
Because I am your husband.
Okay.
Do not disrespect me.
Okay.
Do not disrespect me. This is my house. The next thing you start talking about being a feminist, you have to respect me. You have to respect me. Honey.
Why is your mom always fighting?
Honey, no. We're not fighting now. I'm just trying to explain something to your mother.
I know everything.
Honey, we're just talking about her birthday. It's not a fight. Oh my God. You know what you have to do it.
Yeah.
Why is it?
See?
What did I do?
Oh, mommy. Good morning.
Good morning, baby. How are you?
I'm good.
I hope you slept well.
I tried.
Okay, your daddy is going to drop you at school and I'm running late to work.
Wait.
Hey.
I don't understand. Okay, you don't want to greet me, that's okay. But what about breakfast for her?
Breakfast. You fix that.
What are
I'm running late for work.
What are you talking about?
What are you doing?
Look at you. Beautiful woman. Look at yourself. Very beautiful woman. But a wife, a bad wife. A mother, a bad mother. Look at me. I got her ready for school. Don't I work too? She's your daughter. You have to value her as your daughter. Make her breakfast. If you don't, you won't leave this house.
Really?
Yes.
You're really testing my patience. Your forefathers that sent you, tell them you did not see me. Tell them you did not see me. Because you're going to let me go out. Now, get out of my way. I'm warning you for the last time.
I'm not.
I am warning you. Let me go.
What are you going to do?
I mean, what happened to your hands? Are they paralyzed? Can't you make breakfast for her?
Are you even thinking? As your husband, you don't want to respect me. Fine. But this child, you will respect her. You will value her as your daughter. You will make her breakfast before you leave this house. In fact, you will make your family breakfast before you leave this house. What the hell is wrong with you?
You will get out of my way. Get out of my way. If not, I'm going to arrest you. I'll get you arrested. I don't want this marriage anymore.
Mom,
What?
why do you always do this to Dad? Do what? Why must you both always fight?
Honey, honey?
Honey.
Honey?
Honey.
Sonia! You see? You see what you've done? You've succeeded. You have succeeded in brainwashing my child. You've succeeded in turning my child against me.
Jessica, you're shameless.
I am warning you. Stay the hell away from me. Is it by force? I don't want this marriage anymore. I am tired. You're shit to me. I don't want it. Stay the hell away from me. Stay the hell away from me. What?
Hey, honey. It's okay. I will make breakfast for you, okay?
Don't worry. I'm already late. Let's go.
I have to. Alright, just can you get the keys for me? Just get the keys for me. We'll buy something on the way, okay? We'll get you some snacks. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Hello, Mom. Since all it does is insult me in front of our daughter. I hate him so much. Like, what does he even want from me? I foot the bills. I take care of everything in the house. You should respect me for that.
You won't ask your husband to leave the house. What happens to your daughter?
Mom, Sonia will be fine. Our daughter will be fine. But him, Sly, he irritates me so much. After going on his good-for-nothing Nollywood work, goes there, kisses different women up and down, and now he wants me to be a good wife to him. Oh, Mom, that's not gonna happen. Nobody ridicules me. Nobody dares me. Nobody toys with me. Nobody plays with me. I'm not gonna allow that, Mom.
You will take it easy. You need assistance. Stop mounting unnecessary pressure on yourself. Grumbling over work and your marriage is not healthy. You have a great daughter to raise. Get yourself a nanny.
Mommy, you know what? I have to go now. I am hitting the road, so I'll speak to you later. Ta-da! Good morning, baby. It's a beautiful day.
Good morning, my love.
A new one at that.
Oh,
Here's your breakfast.
Thank you so much.
Take that up. Yeah. For
Thank
you.
you.
Yes.
That's so kind of you. Didn't expect it.
Yeah. So, just have breakfast.
All right.
Yeah.
I will. Enjoy your day at work, okay?
You can never tell.
What? So get help us. Ivy!
Get into the car.
Without a hug from Dad.
Look, your daddy is really tired. And he needs some rest. We're running late, okay? And come on.
But I never go with the hug till going to school.
Are you gonna keep arguing with me? Or you're gonna get into the car?
No.
What?
I need my hug from Daddy.
Hey, darling.
Daddy!
How are you?
I'm fine.
You okay?
Yes, Mom said you were tired and it's all like you about to give me a hug before school.
I know. Come here. Take your hug.
No.
All right. But your mom was right. I was so tired. Can you sit in the car a bit? I want to talk to your mom.
Okay.
All right? Honey, can we talk? In the house. Please. Ivy, you served me breakfast. With this,
And what about that?
with divorce papers.
Don't you have a pen?
Are you kidding me? You served me breakfast with this? I can't even believe that you want to put an end to us?
Look, you must think I'm stupid or dumb. Oh, you must think I'm a dummy. For months now, you've been toying with my emotions and intelligence. You go to work 2 to 3 weeks, right? You leave me in this house for 2 to 3 weeks, claiming, oh, I'm going to work. Don't worry, baby, everything's going to be okay. Like you care. Does that bother you at all? It doesn't, right? So you're gonna sign these damn papers, okay? And guess what? I am done with you.
I'm not signing any damn papers. I'm not going to sign it. I have been a faithful husband. I've been a good father. When we got married, we didn't talk about any divorce. I'm not signing any damn papers. I'm not going to allow you to ruin my daughter's life.
You're not gonna sign the papers. Really? Okay then. Get your lawyer and spill the beans. Because I don't have time for your cracked up echoes.
What are you talking about? What has come over you? Because I'm still trying to figure out what you're talking about. Bursting my head here, thinking how last night you were mourning under me. We had a great time. And you said to me, you held my heart against your heart. And you said to me, holding my face, that life was useless without me. That you were breathless without me. That's what you said to me.
Well, baby, that was a send-off sex. And at the peak of fantasy, I am done with your ass. Your daughter is downstairs waiting, and I've got appointments to attend to. Excuse me.
The fuck is wrong with her? Has she gone mad? What did I do?
Mom, why are you always fighting Dad? You told me that he was the best man, and since then he became my hero. So why are you fighting him?
Sweetheart, yes, I said that. Your dad was. But I am done pretending. Okay, look, when two people are fighting or in complications or anything like that, it's better we go our separate ways because it's really not working. It's not working.
Are you going to leave us? Will that give you peace?
Come here, sweetheart. I am not leaving you. We are all together, okay? We're all together. I'm never leaving you.
You think I'm a baby? I know what divorce is. I'm going to meet my daddy.
Sonia, where are you going?
I'm going to meet my nanny.
Come back here, Sonia! Dad, stop being so naughty. You have to shut up your mouth and behave yourself. Now get into the car. Sonia! You naughty little child. Get into the car. Get into the car. Get into the car. Now. Get into the car. Naughty child. He will even see my daddy. My daddy. Daddy. Would you close that door and stop being naughty? Nonsense. Daddy.
Action.
Look, the thing is, it's choking every time she starts with one fight or the other. And this time around, Sonia was right there. She heard everything, every single thing. When Ivy came outside about to go to work, Sonia was standing right there at the door. Ivy took her to school with tears in her eyes because of what happened. All right, I'll talk to you later. Oh, God. Hello? Is there a problem? Wait, is she okay? Is everything okay? Did something happen to her? Okay, Miss Fiona, please tell her I will be there soon. I'm sorry for this, okay? I'll be there soon. Just give me a few minutes. I'll be there, okay?
Mr. Sly, from our observation, she has lost it in class. No longer excited as always. Doesn't participate in everything. Oftentimes, she has to be forced to write or answer questions. This will definitely affect her grades.
Do you want anything?
Nothing, just peace. I'm tired of seeing you and mom argue every time. Dad, please make peace with mom.
Look, your mom and I were just having a little misunderstanding. Everything's gonna be fixed. Everything is gonna be okay. Do you want us to stop somewhere and get ice cream? So you can calm down and then we can sit and talk properly?
No, Dad. It's just about the divorce. We signed the papers. Are we going to leave mom? Dad, please, just make peace with mom.
Look, I will sign the papers and then we will have peace. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go, darling.
Brother, are you sure you've never offended her in any way?
My dad never offended her.
My love, go to your room, okay? I want to speak with your dad alone.
Okay.
Go, Auntie. I know what divorce is.
Look, Mary, I don't know what's going on. I just do not know what's going on. I don't know what's come over her. It's like somebody or something is controlling her. She's so different.
Don't you think she's doing this out of revenge? I mean, all those romantic scenes they give you and how all those actresses fox themselves around you. Don't you think she's jealous or something?
No. I mean, I'm not a saint. I can't claim to be perfect, but it's not a reason. She knows my job. You know, she knows what I do. She changed when her status changed. That's what happened. Since they willed the oil and gas company to her from her dad, she became different. Traveling up and down to Abuja, traveling with the petroleum minister. She thinks I'm beneath her. Like, you know, she's better than me right now. She doesn't respect me anymore. She's buying properties all around the place. Even this house, she bought this house behind my back. She made her mother the second signatory to the house. I was searching for my passport and then I saw the document. I was shocked, saw that she had bought this house.
This relationship is about to crack if you don't stand up and do something about it. And trust me, I will not be surprised if all those men use your wife as a souvenir.
Hey, don't talk about my wife like that, all right? Marriage is for better or for worse. I didn't get married just to get divorced when things get tough. No.
Brother, you don't get it, do you? Ivy is far from you right now.
Things will be better. We'll find a way. We'll sort it out. Ivy loves me. I'm sure I know she loves me. Something is wrong. We'll find what is wrong and we'll sort it out.
It's fine. No problem.
Well, dinner in Bahamas would not be a bad idea. I'll be looking forward to that. But Your Excellency, you're always busy, you know. But that's not going to happen considering the fact that the 300 million naira they refused to sign. Wait a minute. Wait, one sec. Did you just say 700 million naira? You know what? I'm on the next flight to Abuja tomorrow morning, sir. Your Excellency. I am so excited about this. Spain, France, right? Paris? No, that would not be a bad idea at all. Yeah, I'll be happy to.
Wow.
I'll speak to you later, sir.
It seems the 700 million you're about to hit is not coming for free, right? It's crazy. My wife steps into the house past midnight, has the audacity to sit on our bed, our matrimonial bed, and make a call to God knows who. A love call in the name of a business call. Wow. Such a great woman.
You're not monitoring me now, are you?
No.
Is that what you're doing? Look, I told you, sign those divorce papers. You thought I've been joking, right?
I should sign the divorce papers.
Yes, sign them.
Tell me,
What?
honestly, what is my crime?
Please.
What have I done to you? What is my crime? All I've ever done is to be a faithful husband to you. But since you received that company from your dad, everything changed. You think you're better than me. You tell me, what have I done to you as your husband that you're demanding you want a divorce? Tell me.
Look.
Come on, tell me.
Yes, I kissed you the other night. I had sex with you the other day. That was just a send of sex. What else do you want? I told you, I need my peace. And I want my space. Is it too hard for you to do?
All right. But did you listen to me?
What?
Jessica Ivy Brown. I will not give you a divorce. I will not give you a divorce. I will not sign those papers. Do you understand me? I'm not a trash or some garbage that you can just throw out when you want. That's not going to happen. I will not give you the divorce.
Did you just walk out on me? Whatever. Sign those damn papers. That's all I want. Period. Okay, I'm coming now. Yeah, everything else I'll leave till I get back. Yeah, you can bring whatever now. Okay, fine.
Things happen for a reason. 'Cause nobody knows tomorrow.
And who the hell deactivated my passcode? Did you deactivate my passcode? I am talking to you! Did you deactivate my passcode?
So, what are you going to do?
Look, I do not have strength for your trouble this morning. This is my house, and you're going to open the door.
Call that man, whatever he calls himself, call him and tell him that you are a married woman. And as a married woman, you should not be opening your legs for other men to ploy. What is wrong with you? You will stay in this house and you will be a good wife, a godly woman, not a woman who has lost taste for her family. You have a daughter. You're not going to Abuja. You stay in this house. I think I've been too calm, so you're taking my calmness for stupidity, right? I'm not stupid.
You are tempting your forefathers, not me. This is my house, and I bought this house with my hard-earned money.
And I married you with my hard-earned money. You're my wife. You should not be going out for other men to use you. You have a child, a daughter to raise together. Set good examples for. What's going on with you?
You're testing my patience. If I miss my flight, hell will break loose.
Are you a harlot? I'm asking you, are you a harlot? Or you're a homebreaker now, right? Because that man there, is he not married? Doesn't he have a wife? So now you go about breaking people's homes? Huh?
Hello? Please, I'll be there in few minutes. Just give me
Hello? She's not coming anywhere. You! Hey, honey, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Hey, just go upstairs. Get me tissue or something. Get me tissue. Give me something. Tissue. So you hit me?
What?
Oh.
Don't touch me! Miserable man! You're miserable! You're miserable!
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Stupid man!
In front of your daughter?
Stupid man!
Oh, I should shut up my mouth. Me, Nneka Nwojuku, should shut up her mouth.
Shut up your mouth. Because if you had raised your son very well, not to be a monster that he is, I'm sure by now he will not be here trying to beat me up and down.
Your stupid son had the effrontery to lay his filthy fingers on my daughter. And you're sitting down there, vomiting garbage, right?
Trash.
Are you listening to yourself? Like mother, like daughter.
Simple.
Not even surprised. Madam Hajia, let me ask you. If your late husband had several girlfriends, sleeping with them in your face, what would you have done?
Answer the question.
Are you a man? You're not ashamed of yourself.
Shameless.
You're living in a house bought by a lady, and you call yourself a man. Who will you shut up?
No, you shut up!
You shut up!
You shut up! You've lost all morals. You've lost every sense of responsibility. You cannot even correct your daughter.
Yes.
Shame on you! Look, you see, like, I don't even know how you even became my mother-in-law. If you were not the mother of the person I'm married, this one, if you're not her mother, you would have known God. You have known me better.
I swear by Almighty Allah, I would tear you into pieces and feed your bones to the dogs. How dare you?
Madam, be careful. If you try me, madam, you don't have head on your shoulders. I'm telling you.
You're daring me, Ajia.
Okay.
In my daughter's house, you have the right to talk to me.
How did you even become my mother-in-law? Because the little respect I had for you is all gone. I don't even understand. You've lost every respect. You're not even worthy to be called a mother-in-law. That name doesn't fit you.
Wait, you have the effrontery, the guts to be insulting my mother right in front of me?
Don't worry.
I don't blame you.
Don't worry. I know how to deal with fools like him. You don't better leave here now, otherwise I use the police on you.
You use what?
I use the police on you.
Police! Call the police. Call police and call soldiers. In fact, go to your village, call all the guys in your village, call all of them, bring them. You understand why they call me Sly? Maybe they have no idea. You understand why they call you? If you understand why they call me Sly, you know if I'm from Anambra or not. Call them.
You beat up my daughter and now you're threatening me? You're threatening me.
You won't go anywhere. Try it. Call them. You not cross this door.
Okay. You're a disaster. I warned you. I warned you brought this bastard home, but you're not listening.
You're a bigger bastard. How dare you? Are you the only mad woman that could you raise her own daughter? No wonder your 3 husbands died miserably. Who would want to live with a woman with so much disaster? I dare you, Hajia. Make that call. Call your zombies. Call your cutmans. And I will show you what a real mother can do.
Are you talking to me?
I'm trying to make peace here. But you want to tear the home down.
What nonsense piece is that?
I dare you!
Piece my foot. Are you talking to me?
Yes!
You dare raise your voice at me?
Oh, shut up!
Oh my God.
Can you all please listen to me? Mom, why are you doing this? First, you cursed Dad. You stabbed him. You hit him. And now you're lying against him. If you don't know, I have everything recorded in this phone.
Like, what have I done? What have I done? Besides being a good husband, what have I done?
You see this man?
You see what this man has been doing? He's trying to brainwash my child.
This mother of his is very stupid and wicked.
Can you all just keep quiet and let me talk? Because I'm lying against my dad and if you are still have the energy to still talk.
I am so ashamed of you.
So your own daughter is telling you
Let's go.
how a big liar you are.
Will you live here?
Let's go.
Devilish human beings.
Okay.
Bye. Low lives. Stupid, miserable man.
But I warned you. I warned you not to get married to this guy, but you refused.
Oh, Mom. It's all love.
What kind of love is that? That's what you're putting me into. It's obvious you're not going to Abuja again. Your daughter is against you. Huh? So you're not going to go to Abuja anymore. This Igbo boy you brought up upon yourself as in. But don't worry, we'll handle him differently. You get?
Look, Mom. I cannot afford to miss 700 million naira. Just like that. All because I'm married to one useless, miserable looking man. No, Mommy. They cannot stop me.
Avoid the media. Your daughter have every single record that day. So you need to be careful. I know the kind of work he does.
Fine. Can I make something for you to eat at least before you go?
This is not possible. Not with these fools around. It's not possible. Well, I'll call you after my meeting with the president. Please, also reschedule your own meeting. It will be fine there.
Cool.
Put a smile on your face. I love you.
I love you.
Don't worry, they're too small. We handle them.
The child of our holy mother. I love you, Mommy.
You know, when you open the door for the devil, he comes in and messes your home up. If not for God's intervention, one of them would have been dead by now. God is faithful.
Mama, I just want peace. I'm tired. Mom was peaceful. I don't know why she's so bitter to Dad. And everything just affecting my studies. I'm not sure she's my real mother.
She's your real mother.
That's all.
Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Just... you're a very precious and smart girl. If not that you recorded everything, the truth wouldn't have come out.
Do you know I took the new divorce paper and hid it so my mom could find it? Do you know I hid it? This wardrobe here.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Don't you think it will cause more problems?
It can't get any worse. I'm sure of it. And it's even better I don't even marry than for me getting divorced.
You are older than your age. You have an IQ of an older person.
I'm as intelligent as my father.
I know, right? But that's dangerous. You're getting too exposed. But I know what to do.
You know, Grandma has left. She said she wants to call the police. Let me call him now. So have fun.
She can't do that. Not with all the evidence that we have.
On this phone.
She has gone home.
But I think my mom is not happy with me. By the way, it's good to tell the truth. Is that what they taught me?
Sure. But don't worry. She won't hurt you. Everything will be fine.
Well, I'm getting hungry. I'm hungry, in fact. After all these fights that I have not eaten. Mama, please. Because sometimes it's... Oh, God.
Okay. Don't worry. Let me get your father.
Okay.
You know I can't go to the kitchen and touch your mommy's pot for now. Okay. I'm coming.
I hope you're not bothered about him.
About who?
My ex.
Sure, come on, no, I'm not. Are you worried?
No, I'm not worried. I'm just surprised to see him though. I mean, just surprised.
Well, life is about choices, right? He made his choice. I'm sure he wants to come back.
Come back?
It's
Hell
understandable he wants to come back.
No. Do you know what it did? I caught my ex with my best friend and they ganged up and beat me up. Can you imagine that?
Oh, that was terrible. That was terrible.
Horrible.
Well, you know what?
What?
Let's stop talking about him. Let's talk about us.
Okay.
Today's your birthday.
Yeah.
I just want you to have a good time. I think after we have our drinks and after we eat, we go to the cinema, watch something beautiful, and from there we go to the club.
Cool.
Party, yeah.
Ooh,
Party.
sounds interesting because I see you have your plans.
Yeah, I do.
Anyways, I think karaoke will be better because you know I love to sing.
Oh yeah, that would be lovely.
Oh my gosh! Hello, Mary.
Hi, brother.
My tallest sister is here. How are you, darling?
I am fine, thank you.
It's the height for me. You're so tall, girl.
I'm pretty.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
Happy birthday.
Oh, this is so beautiful and cute too. I mean, you. Why did you take me unawares? Like, why didn't you tell me she was coming?
I wanted to surprise you, that's all.
Surprise me. Wow. Thank you so much, baby.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
And thank you for loving my brother. I mean, he keeps singing your praises.
What is
I
this?
have been this, I have been that.
What is-
Ivy.
Wow.
Yes. Just imagine, today, he called you 14 times.
I didn't say anything.
I'm
Nothing
shy.
like that. I'm not saying like that. I don't know where you get
We
the
are
ideas
fed
from.
up.
Really?
Jeez.
I don't know what she's talking about.
I'm shy.
I have no
wow, that's
I
so
have no
cute.
idea.
I mean, look at him. You need to know that your brother is my everything.
Oh.
I mean, I don't even know how I met such an angel. I mean, first of all, initially, I was kind of skeptical about him. But then again, look at me. I'm here. I'm falling madly in love with him.
Oh,
And guess what?
Now.
What?
I said...
When is the wedding? I
I
hope he's not planning any small wedding because my brother doesn't like crowds.
Can you behave yourself?
You know what? Whatever it is, whatever plan your brother has, trust me, I am totally good by it. I am. I. Whatever you want, baby.
Okay, all right. Ladies, please. I think it's time we order our drinks and food.
Okay.
Up, waiter.
Oh yeah, wait up. Thank you. You too, baby.
The voice matches the face in person.
Okay.
Thank you, Mama.
You're beautiful and peaceful.
Oh, thank you.
Nah, even Anya.
Mama, please stop.
Mama, good day.
Good day.
Allow me celebrate Ivy. Just Mama, please.
Mama, just answer my questions. Okay, no problem. It's celebrating Ivy.
Mama, can I sit?
Mama, please allow her sit before you start all this discussion.
No. Leave Mama. Let her continue with this gist because I am totally interested. And Mama, before you continue this gist, Mama, Sly told me about your abacha delicacy.
Oh my
That it was the best in this the whole of Southeast, Mama.
Till tomorrow. My abacha joint is the hottest.
I can't wait.
Number
The champion.
Number 1. You know, that was where I raised money to train my children in school.
Really?
When their father died.
Oh, that's so cute.
Politicians, so businessmen and women, office workers, so they will pay money ahead of time.
Wow.
Number
Why didn't you tell me that?
Oh, wait. She's telling you that. You want me to explain everything?
No, children said I should come and rest.
Yes.
Oh.
You're retired.
Yes.
Number 1, the what?
But don't worry. Nyocha. I made special one for you.
Mama. Oh, so not for me.
Why you
made for her.
Stop being jealous, Del. Mama.
This is the person that is in vogue now.
Hey, thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
What?
You know, I warned him not to bring in those Nollywood girls that kiss every man in the movie.
Don't even go there, Mama. Just stop it.
God forbid it.
Mama, it's just a movie. They are actors.
I see it.
Mama,
God please this woman.
Mama, Oyibo, you don't see now. You're saying all these things, so. She's not.
Hello? Icon, I can't speak right now. Can I speak to you later or something?
What gives you the right to go into my kitchen and get food out of my pot? What gives you that right?
Hey, don't you dare talk to my mother like that again. What is wrong with you? If you had cared enough for your daughter, you would have made food for her.
Really?
I made this food myself. I cooked it myself.
Really? But Mama, look, my mother has gone.
What the hell are you still doing here?
She will leave when she wants to leave. You won't tell her when to leave. Hey, if you talk to my mother like that again, I'll fling you out of here.
Fling me out?
Yes, I will fling you out of here.
You're tempting me.
You're really tempting me. You will not like the outcome of this. I promise you, you will not like the outcome of this.
Ivy.
What?
You will not insult me in my son's house. But did I remind you that I took care of you when you were pregnant? When you gave birth, you had complications. I took care of you at the hospital. When you got home, you were on the bed, you couldn't do anything. I cleaned you up! And here you are, insulting me because of food.
Fish brain.
Really?
Son, take me home before I remind her how her father died.
Wait a minute. You just called my father's name? You just called my father's name!
If your father was alive, he would have trained you and taught you how to respect elders. We are not mates.
Did he just call my father? Tommy, just let me go.
Wait for me, okay?
You just called my father's name. I'll show you. Show me.
Come on. Just sit down. Let's wait for Mary. Mary will come and pick you up. Mama, we can't leave the house. We don't know what she's planning. So I don't want to leave the house, so please just wait for Mary.
That's true. I won't give her any chance.
Yeah. Eat your food, okay? I'm still in shock. I don't understand what's going on with you. Why do you want to destroy us? We've had some amazing times, amazing memories. People envy us. People have looked up to us. So what is the problem? Why do you want us to separate? Why do you want to destroy us?
Why would she insult my father?
You insulted her first. You brought this upon yourself.
I didn't mean it that way. I'm sorry, but... Please.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Everything will be okay. Listen, we need each other. Please.
Baby, listen. If you really love me, sign these damn papers. Please. Please. I just need my peace.
What has come over you?
Please, I beg you.
You are delusional or I don't know, like what is wrong with you? What? Whoever is misleading you to do this doesn't like you and doesn't love us. What is wrong with you?
If you love me, please, just do it for me.
I can't. And I'm doing it for us. I'm doing it for our family. I'm saying no for our daughter. I'm saying no for you and I.
I just want to live my life like nobody bother me. I don't care what you think of me. This is reality.
Sign the damn papers!
What you think of me. So give me some space. Oh, I'm not going down this lane again. I just want to free myself. I don't care what you think of me. Try to take things easy, cause tomorrow might be too late. Cause all the glitters are not good.
I don't know why Sly is taking so much time to sign those damn papers.
So, what do you intend to do about it?
Nothing, I'm just going to sit here and cool off.
I still wonder why you're holding this information from him. Why not break it to him? Whatever happens. If not for the fact that your dad threw me off because I was in the street, we wouldn't have been here by now. Come on.
Look, you were involved in numerous crazy as nasty as deals. You were a gambler. No matter how much you want to frame it, it's not something to be proud of. Like, you're here trying to talk about my father like you didn't cause it. You caused everything. You ruined everything with your stupid ass deals and behavior.
Babe, see, I wasn't born with a silver spoon like you. I came from the streets. I grew up in the ghetto. I had to fight my way through. I never had anyone to fund my dreams. No uncle, nobody was there for me. I had to do this on my own. The banks wouldn't even give you a loan unless you have a collateral. So nobody should blame me. If not for this betting, I wouldn't have made the 30 million that I used in investing in my oil business when I went to the United States. I'm just so sad that by the time I came back, you were already married. And it's still because I'm street smart. That's how I was able to discover that your husband is promiscuous. So give it up for the streets, my dear.
Look, however you want to frame this thing, it's still bad. I don't care how much you made out of it. But anyways, it's in the past now. And you're here now. And I'm not gonna let you slip off my fingers again.
Well, technically, you're still married.
I'll take care of that. It's just a matter of days. Okay? And guess what?
What? You gotta be kidding me. Tell me you're not serious.
I'm expecting, I'm carrying your child. I'm pregnant for you. What, are you not happy?
No, of course I'm happy. Just that you caught me below belt. But, you know, we still have to drink to it.
You're not sounding like you're
Of course
happy
I'm
about
happy.
it.
Come on, babe. Cheers. Let's drink to it.
No, I mean, if you want me to abort it, I will. I'll abort it.
Nah, babe.
Whatever you want me to do to the child, I will. It's your call.
It's an awesome news. It's an awesome news. I would love to be called the dad soon. So
real?
I'm happy, babe.
You serious?
Yeah.
So cool. Cheers to that.
You know, is it kicking?
I don't know.
I love you.
It kicks. Sometimes. I'm happy though.
Of course, yeah.
I am shocked at her sudden rascality. Is either Sly cheated on her or he's beating her? Sure.
Mama, me, I can't vouch for your son. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Not only your son. I can't vouch for any man. But is it that part of beating? No, I don't think Sly can do that. No, he cannot. He has anger issues, yes, but he's not a monster.
Is it that he cheated on her because it's been long she conceived?
Mommy, I don't know, but I think you should invite him over so that he can just tell us what's happened, because I don't think so. Mama, for me, if I catch Tony cheating on me, that will be the end of the relationship. I can't stand a cheating husband. What if he gets me infected with something? I can't though.
My fear is with those actresses with silicone bonbon. Are you sure one of them hasn't seduced him? There must be a reason. There must be.
I think so. You should just call him, because I don't think Ivy has any reason to just give him the divorce paper just like that. There's something. And also, I think her mother's property, wealth, is getting into her head.
That was why I told her off to her face.
Good.
I reminded her how I cleaned her up for months when she almost died. But her father's wealth is not supposed to be a reason to tear her marriage down. It's not supposed to. You know, Sly told me that she went to Abuja to see all those politicians that destroy marriages.
No, Mama. I don't think Ivy can do that. No, she cannot. No. There's no smoke without fire. So I think you should just invite her. No, there's something more to
There is something. You know what I call JB? Only Gigi down me.
There's something.
God help us.
I can't say what's going on. This is not the love you promised me. What has come over you?
You know, babe, I've been through a lot. And my heart is fragile. I know you're a movie producer and an actor. And I hate your job. I love you. But you see those your Nollywood girls, they live for the gram and I hate it so much. Just promise me. I just need assurance from my husband.
I promise you, I won't break your heart. I won't hurt you. I know my job is crazy. Nollywood is crazy. But all I want is a peaceful home. A home full of love. Yes, I'm exposed to a lot of women because of my job. But look at you. You are the envy of all women.
Don't make me blush. Just promise me you'll be loyal to me. And you'll not be wayward.
I will. I will be loyal to you. I will protect you. I will bring you only smiles and laughter, joy, peace. I love you. Always.
I just don't want this Nollywood drama, you know.
No. You won't.
I love you.
Oh my word. Who do we have here? Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, the envy of all. Wow. Get down, darling. Hey. Wow, what are you doing? That's why you kept calling me every 30 minutes, right? Wow, I didn't know. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my wife. This is the envy of all. My beautiful wife.
Let me get it.
Oh, you brought... She brought a cake for me! She brought a cake for me! Oh!
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Yes!
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, darling. Thank you, my love. Oh yeah, she is beautiful.
She's so crazy.
Honey, look, this woman has been everything to me. She's my word, she's my life. And she's the most beautiful woman in the world, as you can see. She left everything she was doing. Can you imagine? She's pregnant just to come on set and give me a... Oh, darling, I love you.
Congratulations, sir. Wow.
All right, guys, you give me a moment, okay? Yeah, you can hold this. Thank you, guys.
Come on, darling. Get it going.
I'm the director, yeah.
Director, wait now.
Pierre. What is for me?
Alright.
No play.
You didn't like play. Take it to the office. Director, office. Office. Alright, sir. Bye.
This is not the way we used to be. Baby, what is the matter?
Hey, honey.
Still waiting for mom to come back.
Yes, honey, I am, but it's pretty late. You have to go to bed now. You have school tomorrow.
Yeah, I need to get some sleep too. Thank God she's not back to cause more troubles.
Hey. Don't talk about your mother like that, okay?
Okay.
She's not troublesome. You know, there are problems every now and then, but she's not troublesome. All right? She's your mother. She loves you. Okay? Come here. Have you ever heard about the word tempted or temptation?
Yeah.
All right. So sometimes the devil tempts us, but we have one means of fighting the devil. We have God. We have Jesus. All right?
All right.
So let's pray for your mother.
Okay. But you've promised me you'll sleep in my room to avoid trouble.
No, I'm not promising you anything. Come on, let's go to bed.
No.
It's getting late. It's past midnight. Let's
If
go
not,
to bed.
I won't go sleep. Promise me.
Oh, okay. I promise you. I'll stay in your room, but there's not going to be any trouble. Come on.
Okay.
No trouble. All right?
Okay.
Come on, let's go to bed. Come here. Come here. Come on, let's go.
I find it hard to let you go, 'cause I know we are meant to be together.
Hi, baby. My sweetheart. Squeeze me so hard. Afternoon.
I missed you so much.
Oh, come here, my darling. I miss you too. I was with your grandma. Come on, sit. Sit. Let me feed you some. Here. Here you go. Oh! Sorry. Here. Nice, right?
Nice meal. Hey, you did justice to this.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And the office earlier, I heard you stopped by. I was in a meeting with Dangote's personal assistant, so I hope you're good.
It's no problem.
So, honey, come on. Let's drop this. Let's go upstairs.
Okay.
Let's go stock up the house with something nice from the supermarket. Come on.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah.
That's my girl. Let's go. Hold on. One second.
Okay. Ready? Are you ready?
Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
You take care of yourselves, okay?
Okay.
All right, be a good girl. It was kind of strange. We came home and she was acting different. Eating the food I made. And Sonia joined her to eat. She even complimented me on the food. Said it was delicious. That was kind of strange. No. I didn't even talk to her last night. No, I never spoke to her. I never said a word to her. Yes, I will. Yeah, I'll be careful. I promise I'll be careful. Okay. Okay, bye.
can I ask for a favor?
Sure. Honey, what could that be?
Do you still love Daddy?
Sweetheart, why did you ask that?
Because Daddy loves you. Please don't divorce him. And the other night, he stayed all through the night, even after midnight, waiting for you, dialing your number every minute.
Honey, I promise you, everything will be fine, okay? So you know what? Let's go out there, buy some vegetables and fruits. Guess what? I'm making his favorite dish today. And it's actually been long I did that, so.
Okay. Thank you, Mom. Can I hug you now?
Sure, honey. Come. I love you, okay?
Love you too.
Come. So, yeah.
Let's go.
So, you wanted ice cream, right?
Promise me you won't mess up with her heart, or I'll come for your head.
Why would I mess up with her heart when she's the love of my life? I love Ivy so much, and I can't hurt her. You know, you tried to come between us before, but I don't think you can stop us now. Ivy, I've been very loyal to you. But Ivy, she's my life.
Loving her is not my issue, as long as you answer whenever I call. But you know you've actually gained a lot from me. And I love you so much. So don't deny me love because you love my daughter. Otherwise, I'll send you to jail.
Must you always threaten me to prove your point?
No, darling, I'm not threatening you. I'm reminding you. So please, let's get to business so I can hit the road.
What business? We just done 3 rounds already. Do you want me dead?
The Jeep you drive, the house you live in, I gave it to you. Even the 80 million in your account, I gave it to you. So I practically own you. If I need it 40 times a day, you give it to me very hot. Please come and give it to me.
But I'm in love with Ivy. What if she comes back?
She's married, technically. Are you getting me? She's married.
Hello? Where exactly are you? Your husband is on his sick bed, fighting for his life, and you are nowhere to be seen. You know what? Forget it. Oh God, please let me go. Brother.
Well, we were able to revive him. So grateful we were able to revive him. We suspect food poisoning,
Food poisoning?
Yeah, but we're still running some checks on him anyway. So, but give or take, in the next couple of minutes, he should be okay. He's coming on well, okay?
Please, can I see him?
Not yet. We need some time for him to fully recuperate. So give and take 1 hour. You should be fine there. You can see him, okay? All right. Take care, okay? All right.
Why are you delaying in sending me those pictures and videos? Haven't I paid you?
Icon, you're owing me 3 million naira. 3 million naira! And you know, getting to talk to these girls to talk about him, it's not easy. I have to pay them. And if you don't get him to sign those documents, I'm so sorry, Icon. I'm not giving you a penny. You're not going to get nothing from me.
Okay. First thing tomorrow, I'll send you the rest of the money. And please get the pictures ready and those videos because it's important. Then, hope I'm going to see you tonight.
Icon, I'm done sleeping with you. Last night I saw you with Ivy. The other night I saw you with Ija. Keep your prick one place. Keep on one place. Oh, bring back my Sly. I can't wait for him to sign those divorce papers so I can laugh at him.
It's a done deal, baby girl. Done deal. As I'm talking to you now, Ivy is pregnant for me. And she's not going back on her words. Hajia, on the other part, is aware of everything. We're working together, so she knows everything.
I don't believe anything you say. You lie too much.
Lie for what? Why would I lie? You should not be a sharpshooter. She's a month gone already, and if not for all this your shakara, you're supposed to be like 3 months pregnant.
Oh, free me. I give you from now till tomorrow. If you don't send me that money, I promise you I'm going to scatter everything. Just trust me. I'm going to scatter everything, okay? Tomorrow.
Okay.
The doctor said it was food poisoning. What did you eat? Who wants you dead?
I don't know. I ate rice that I made myself. Sonia and Ivy ate the same food, so why am I here?
The $1 million question is, who poisoned your food? Who wants you dead?
Look, I came back to the house with Sonia. Ivy was already home. She was eating. Sonia joined her to eat. After they ate, they left the house. And I scooped some food to eat. Right afterwards, I started coughing up blood. I don't know what happened.
Definitely it wasn't the same food you ate. Because why are they not here? You are the only one here. Why? It shouldn't be what I'm thinking, brother. It shouldn't.
What are you thinking? What are you suspecting? Are you suspecting someone? Obviously not my wife, right?
Anyways, I'm just glad that you are fine. But trust me, my instinct doesn't lie. It's obviously your wife. Because why is she not here? It's been 4 hours. Can you imagine? When I tried calling her with your phone, she didn't pick up. But when I used my phone, she was giving some flimsy excuses about traffic. I will sue her. Trust me.
Hey, just calm down. Calm down, please. Alright? All that matters right now is I'm alive. I'm getting better. Okay, just calm down.
Brother, I do not need your permission. I will sue her and I have all the evidence.
I say calm down. Let her get here first. I need to see my daughter. And please don't tell mommy about this. You know her health condition. I don't want her to worry.
It's not the matter of staying calm. I will sue her, brother. I will.
Hey.
Hello, sir. I don't even know what is going on now. Sly is nowhere to be found. He's not even picking his calls. So, I don't know. And you know we can't do anything without him. Okay.
Sir, see this news here.
What is it?
Sly is in the hospital. He was poisoned.
Poison? By whom? Wait, though. Is Bookie still after this guy? What's going on? What's wrong with her now? The thing is all this Nollywood gossip. These couples are living well.
Sir, see the gist. The gist have it that both of them are having issue. Sly and his wife. And rumor has it that he was poisoned by his wife. And she refused to show up at the hospital.
And you believe that? These couples are living well. There's nothing you will tell me. It's all this Nollywood gossip. They're not the tire. Just forget this thing. These couples are living well.
Just hope so.
I just hope so.
Director, which time are we starting shooting?
Like, I don't tire. Let's just keep hoping he'll pick his call. There's nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do. He's playing the lead role. We all know that. So let's just wait and be, hopefully maybe he'll pick up.
What do you want?
Here.
What is this?
Divorce papers. If you like, sign it. If you like, don't sign it. I will see you in court. I hate everything about you. And I don't want to ever see you close to me or my property ever again.
You're joking with the wrong person, Jessica. Yes, you
I'm
are.
sure this fight, you're not ready for it. I will fight you dirty.
You think by poisoning me you will get your way? What do you take me for? A fool? You want to fight dirty? You want to fight dirty? Bring it on. You won't see me coming. All the newspapers, all of social media will have you for ice cream. You and your mother. I'm sure it's going to be great for you because I will have you on every single news media. Everyone will be talking about you and your shameless mother.
I will bury you in shame. I hate everything about you. You're not ready for this.
Bring it on, baby. Bring it on. You love me more when it starts.
You'll see.
Bring it on.
Baby.
Now, I feel so relieved. Now I can breathe properly. Thank you so much for standing by me.
And I'll always prioritize your happiness. This has been our dream from way back secondary school, By the way, how is my baby boy doing?
Your baby boy is happy. I feel so much joy. My mother would be the most happiest woman on earth. Thank you. I love you. Thank you for this.
I love you more, baby girl. I love you more, baby girl. And stop sounding like I did you a favor. Because this is ours. We got this. We planned this right from our teenage days, remember?
Yeah, I do. Thank you. So good. Hey, sweetheart. Hey.
Sweet girl, how are you?
I'm fine. And have you seen my dad?
He's not back yet.
Do you know when he's coming back? Have you called him?
Don't worry, sweetheart. I'm sure when he's done wherever he is, he'll definitely come back. I promise you.
Okay, I'll be in my room since you have a guest.
Okay, baby. See you soon.
Okay.
See, I told you. She would not be able to live without her father.
We'll see what we'll do about that. I will play the role of a father. Let's see how it goes.
Play the role of a father? Are you for real? My daughter is a smart girl. And she's very, very stubborn. What do you mean play the role of a father? She cannot even follow any other person aside her father. Her peace is my priority.
If she wants to be with her father, you can't stop her.
I know, I can't stop her, but there's this bond, a father and a daughter bond. You know, it's natural.
Yeah.
My mother would do anything for me. My peace is a priority, and so hers mine.
And you, baby girl?
Baby girl, what?
Am my peace? Come here. Oh.
What?
Always.
This guy thinks he can fuck with my money, right? I don't think he can fuck with my money. Oh my god. Icon shouldn't fuck with me because he's not gonna like me when I come for him. He's not gonna like what I will do when I come for him. Such an ingrate. God. Oh my goodness. He's so sneaky. He's such a gambler. Don't worry.
You will not fight her. You are my only son. If they kill you, what will I do? If they have the mind to poison your food, they can as well hire assassin after you. You will not fight them. Just sign the divorce papers for her. Let them go with their problems. Because no.
Why are you looking at me? I would do no such thing. I will not let her have my daughter. Even the things in the house, they are my properties. I bought them myself. She will not have my daughters. She will not have my things.
Brother, you will do as Mama said. We'll go to court and get a letter that will grant us access to go pick up your things in the house. But for me, I would say you should forget about it. I mean, just live your life. Leave this country for a while. Your child will not die. Brother, you are all that I and Mama have. And God will give you more money. Please.
You don't understand. I will not let her have my things. I will not let her have my daughter. That's not going to happen. I'm not afraid of them. If they want war, I will give them war. If they want peace, I will give them peace. I've spoken to my lawyer already. Whatever they want, I'll give it to them.
Brother, are you sure we're not missing something? Are you cheating on her? I mean, she's a very smart woman. She bought the house you are living right now without your knowledge. And then, secondly, she served you the divorce papers. Brother, check yourself. I think you're missing something.
Look, I've never cheated on my wife. That's not me. I've never cheated on my wife. If she has proof, she can bring the proof. If they have evidence, let them bring the evidence. I've never depended on her wealth. I don't even care about that. I've never asked for anything from that. I didn't even know that she was even from a wealthy family when we got married. I've always taken care of my own business. I've always taken care of my own responsibilities. Never depended on them.
Hello, how are you? How are you feeling this morning?
Good day, doctor.
Wow, that's great. Anyway, from the final results, no much damage was done. But
thank God.
Thank God.
Thank God. But I need you to be very careful what you eat and where you eat it, okay? Please, it's very, very important.
I will.
However, before you leave, see the accountant and the pharmacy for your medications, okay?
I will.
All right, you'll be good, okay?
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
I'm glad you're fine now, brother.
We have to go. Let's get out of here.
Okay. Can I help you? Sorry, take it easy.
How are you? Your face don't look bright today.
Can you help me call my dad?
Why can't you call your mom?
My dad and my mom are not in good terms.
Really?
My mom wanted a divorce from my dad, but my dad refused. So she won't agree.
First of all, Sonia, you are too young to know what divorce is.
The internet is a great assistant. When I heard about it, I googled it, and the last time I asked my mom, she said my father was hospitalized. When I asked her to take me there, she refused.
Okay, you know what? Hold on. Let me call your dad. Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Miss Fiona on the line.
Hello, Miss Fiona. Are you okay?
I am very well, fine, sir. Sir, are you alright? Are you at the hospital?
Why did you ask me that?
Your daughter is worried about you, and from your voice, you don't really sound okay.
I'm fine. I'm getting better. Is Sonia there? Can I talk to her?
Yes, sir, she is. Yeah, your dad.
Hello, Daddy. Daddy, are you okay? Mom said that you are at the hospital.
I'm getting better. I'm fine. How are you? Are you fine? How is your exams?
Daddy, how can I be fine? I cannot promise you that I'm doing well in my exam. Have you abandoned me because of Mom?
No. I can never abandon you, darling. Never. Look, I will come and see you right after your exam, okay? Just please try to be strong and write your exams well for me. All right?
Will you come and take me? I want to stay with you. Since the day you left, Uncle Icon has been staying in the guest room. Mom says she wants to marry him. I think that's why she divorced you. Daddy, please come and take me. I want you.
Honey, I will come and take you after your exam, okay? I promise you that. Just promise me you'll stay strong and you'll write your exams well, okay?
I promise. But Dad, please, will you come and take me after my exams?
I love you, baby. I love you.
Love it so. And to feel now, I think now I can be able to write my exams.
Okay, so now you're good, right?
Yes.
Okay.
My daughter needs me. Sonia needs me. Sonia is telling me that her mother has a man in the house. He sleeps in the guest room. Imagine the things going on in that house with my daughter in the house.
Relax. Relax. What is important to me now is your health. Remember what the lawyer instructed.
I'm sure it's the same guy who came to pick her up that day she was going to Abuja. I will break his head if I see him.
You're not a local talk that fights on the road or streets. Allow the lawyer to do the needful. Besides, remember you're a brand and a global actor. You can't allow your image to be flushed down the drain because of a woman who has decided to mess up her name.
Mama, I'm worried about my daughter. I'm worried about Sonia. You know, every time there's a broken home, the children are affected negatively. I'm worried about my daughter.
Sonia believes in you. You are going to train her in the way of the Lord. The Bible said, train up a child in the way he should go. And when she grows, the principles that you taught her will be her bedrock of character.
How could she, Mama? I mean, how could she? It's ridiculous to think that she will even take a man in the house, in our house, our matrimonial home. Our matrimonial home with our daughter there. Just days.
The earlier you remove the word matrimonial from your head, the better for you. All you need is to get well, get up, get to work, and get your daughter. You have a bright future. If one door closes, believe me, 1 million doors will open for you.
See, I have done my part. Ivy is out of your way. Sly is nursing his heartbreak in his sister's place. And that is your package. So calling me up in the middle of the night is totally useless. I am capable of anything you want to bring up.
I saw this coming. And I know exactly how to deal with animals like you. 3 million naira or I bury your dreams. You lose both Ivy and her mother. You gambler. Trust me, EFCC will love to feast on you. Okay? Don't try me, Icon. Don't try me.
I'm not scared of the EFCC. I'm legit. See, I might not have your 3 million naira now. But if you can give me a few months, I'll do you 10 million. See, you know my target. All these your unnecessary calls during the day and the midnight, it is a spoil package for me. If you can cooperate, I fit even dash you an extra 1M.
3 million naira or nothing. 3 million naira is my deal and you are giving it to me. Icon, you should know me by now. You know I'm a working media and you wouldn't like everybody to know the truth. Greediness kills faster than poison, okay? See, you can have your Ivy and give me my 3 million. Bird where they sing, they poke. Did you hear that? Bird where they sing, they poke. Icon, you know me very well. I have your videos of you and Aja. It's all over my phone. And trust me, I promise, if I don't get my 3 million naira, that video will be all over the internet and Nigeria, the whole of Nigeria, will feast on you. Don't try me. Don't push me to the war. Give me my money. Give me my money. Do you hear that? Oh my God.
See this switch, oh. Don't let me start with you.
Mom, she's craving her dad right now. And I can't just deny her access to her dad. And besides, the lawyers called in and they decided to sign the divorce papers. And aside that, they said it's on one condition. And the condition is for her to be with her father. And he has decided to come and move his stuff, his properties and everything out of my house, so...
Throw this useless furniture out of the house and import from Dubai. And you know what? Remove every single thing that reminds you of him.
Come on, Mom. Don't stop sounding like that. She reminds me of him. Am I supposed to throw away my daughter? No, tell me, am I?
I believe by the time we have the court ruling on this issue, that will be the best time we will know the best approach for the matter. Except you want to relocate from the country with her so he doesn't have access to her, which to me is the best idea. We can relocate to the UK or Canada.
Oh, stop. Are you listening to yourself right now? Relocate to where? I am not leaving my company. I am not running away from him. It's not possible. Look, Mom. Icon here is about to hit a multi-million-dollar company deal. Huh? And guess what? The ex-governor is about to sign the approval for his contract. So all I need from you right now, Mom, is for you to do what you do best, like make some calls. Please, like on our behalf, Mommy.
With all due respect, ma'am, I never asked her to disturb you on this because he's already given me his assurance that he's gonna approve my proposal.
Do you want it approved or not, Mr. Man?
With all my heart, ma'am. I do.
Of course he wants it approved.
It's gone. Yeah. I was the one that actually sponsored his election, so he has no choice.
I appreciate, ma'am. I appreciate. Thank you.
But treat my baby girl right.
Mm-hmm. You will not try to not treat me right.
I will try to break her heart because I will break you into pieces.
I won't.
You wouldn't even dare. Would you dare?
No, I won't.
Okay.
It's fine.
Okay, I think it's time we...
Oh, you guys are leaving so soon. Okay, whatever.
You just take care of him.
Yeah, I will.
I'll give you a call.
Sure, I'll be expecting your call.
Okay.
Hey, Mommy.
Alright, darling.
Take care. Wait a minute. Wait. Icon, so you have been sleeping with my mother? Wait, on the same bed, you make love to me? I'm speaking to you! Jesus. And you want me to divorce my husband and marry you? You! This animal! You disgust me. Now, Mom, I'm disappointed in you. Get out of my house. Get out of my house, Mom! I told the both of you, get out of my house! Get the hell out of my... Get out of my house! Get out! What's it? Please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
But you left here a few days ago.
Doctor, look, I don't know. I was talking to my mother on the phone and then I started to cough blood and just so much blood. I don't understand.
He's okay. He's okay. Don't worry. We'll take care of it, okay?
My stomach feels like my intestines are cut. There's just something eating inside of me.
Don't worry. We'll take care of it. You're in the right hands, okay? Let me get the nurse to take your vitals, okay? And we'll take it from there, alright? Nurse! Come check his vitals right now!
Feels like my intestines are cut.
I didn't leave my brother in the hospital to come watch you cry. You better clean those tears and tell me why you called me all of a sudden.
I don't know how to face your brother. Please, I beg you. I've caused him so much pain. All I ask for is your forgiveness. Please, forgive me. My mother and I concussed all of this. They were sleeping with themselves and I had no idea. Please.
And my innocent brother is in the hospital, fighting for his life.
Please. But God did not allow him to die. He's still alive.
So now you know God.
I was deceived.
When you poisoned him, you didn't remember God. Now you know God. You're very wicked.
I'm sorry. Please, Mary, please forgive me.
If anything happens to my brother, he will see the worst of me.
Please forgive me. And I don't know, are you going to help me or are you going to keep taunting me? Please. Please forgive me.
It hurts. It hurts. But no problem. Let's face this first. It's fine.
Okay. What are you doing here? What do you want? I didn't invite you here. What do you want?
You never did. You have every right to be angry, but please hear me out.
Hear you out? After everything? You're asking me to hear you out? What do you want?
I know, I was very bitter and jealous. But my conscience won't let me sleep. I can't sleep. Please hear me out, please.
Pookie, what do you want?
I wanted more from you. I was so in love with you. I loved you. Oh my God, I was so crazily in love with you. But you made it clear to me that you never wanted to date any actress. But all of a sudden, you started dating Ivy. I was so jealous because I loved you. I was so bitter. My colleagues, everyone was laughing at me. They all mocked me. I didn't know what to do. The next thing, you guys got married. After your wedding, I was admitted for 3 weeks in the hospital. I was down. I was so angry.
Pookie, I don't understand anything you're saying. Because when I met you, you were dating a director. And you had a couple of relationships, which I didn't care about. I told you, I made it clear to you that I just want to be your friend. We were just friends. And I was nice to you. I treated you nicely. So why the beef? What did I do to you? Wait, what did I do to you? After I got married, you started writing all kinds of things online. You said all kinds of things to give me a bad image. I had to block you. Where was my fault?
sorry. I'm sorry. I dated those directors back then because I was desperate. I wanted them to give me jobs. I needed the fame so badly, so that's the only reason why I dated the director. I just wanted to be a star. I wanted to be known. That's why I dated him. But it was you I really loved. I truly loved you. I loved you because you talk and behave like my dad. I was so madly in love with you. I couldn't focus. I didn't know what I was doing. So many things happened. I was desperate. I was going through a lot. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It all started a few months after your wedding. A guy from London slid into my DM and we had a long conversation. And it was all because of you. And when he came to Nigeria, we had a deal.
Ivy was my girl. She was my best friend until that your friend used stardom to collect them from me. See, if you do this for me, not only will I change your car, I'll also give you the sum of 5 million. Yeah.
Icon, though I know Slime messed up, but scattering his home is a very hard thing to do.
Ivy is going to leave that guy if you get me the right evidences. And he'll definitely fall back to you if he's broken, and it's a win-win for both of us. You have nothing to lose.
Icon, you're asking for a very difficult thing right now. I have gone through... I have gone around searching for a soulmate till I found you. Losing you is losing the essence of life. Oh, please marry me, Angela. Take me as your lovely husband. Oh, yes, I will marry you, my love. Put it on my finger already, I'll marry you.
What's going on here?
What's happening?
Sly just left now, complaining that you are harassing him. What is it?
Harassing him?
Yes.
He's toiling with my emotions. Why would I do that?
He's even saying that he doesn't want to work with you again.
Oh my God, why? I didn't do anything to him. We were just here together and all. Like, I didn't do nothing to him.
You just have to put yourself together. Put your emotions aside. Put yourself together and let's work.
What did I do to him? We just here, like, I didn't do anything to him. Why would you say?
And he's complaining.
Why is he complaining?
He didn't do anything. And he's complaining bitterly. Leave. Oh, yeah, what's happening now? Why are we not shooting? Let's just shoot and see. If I didn't be the last time I'm coming to this set, what's going on now? Have you seen what you cost? Have you seen what you cost?
I didn't do anything to him. He's really standing with my emotions. I did not do anything to him.
Put yourself together, let's work. Please. I'm begging you.
Sorry, I don't like you.
But I truly love him.
Ma'am, sorry, let me mic you. Love him.
I love him so much. Is it a crime to love him? I love him genuinely. Outside this whole thing, I have feelings for him, but he doesn't want me.
Wait, make a first call.
Hold on, you collect mic.
He doesn't want me.
If you want to later, wait. Hold on first. Collect mic. No, let's shoot.
He doesn't even want to work with me again.
Alright guys, you give me a moment, okay? Yeah, you can hold this. Thank you guys. Come on, darling, get it on.
I'm the director, yeah.
Director, wait now.
Pierre, what is for me?
Alright.
I will start to...
No play. You do like play.
Take it to the office. Director, office. Director, Alright, sir. Bye. So why you now outside now? We're celebrating now. Come on.
I'm not interested. I want to be left alone.
Come on, we're just celebrating now. There's
I'm not interested! I don't want to eat that stupid cake. I'm not interested.
Pierre, come! Pierre! I'm not meant to be soft. Wait, happen now. What is it? Why like this?
You guys, I don't even know. I said I'm not interested in that stupid cake. I am not interested. You guys should leave me alone.
Really? Come on now, don't be like this now. Others are enjoying themselves.
You guys just leave. Go! I'm not interested. Icon, but can I trust you?
Of course you can. As a matter of fact, give me your details. I'll transfer 2 million for you now. Then if you get me what I want, I will send the balance and also change your car.
If I give you evidences and I succeed in scattering this marriage, are you sure you're going to keep to your promises?
Of course I will. Of course.
Icon, don't play with me. Are you sure you're going to fulfill everything you just said right
Baby
now?
girl, I'll fulfill everything and I'll even do more.
Are you sure?
Of course.
It sounds like a good idea. It's a bit tough too, but I really want to get back to him. Yes, I really would love to get back to him. But please, fulfill your promises. Don't fail. Don't change for any reason, okay?
So have a deal, eh?
Sounds like a deal.
That's my baby. I know you'll do it.
And that was how everything went. I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I could do anything at this point. If you want me to go and talk to your wife and apologize to her, I want her to believe that you are totally innocent. You didn't do any of those things that you were accused of. I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry. I was so desperate that I ruined your home. No one, absolutely no one deserves to go through what I did to you and your wife. I'm so sorry. I was really desperate. I was so desperate. I'm sorry. I was depressed. I was going through so much and I wanted to get back to you so badly. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. I could do anything. Anything. If you want me to come online to tell the world that you are innocent, I can. At this point, my heart is heavy. I can't sleep. I can't rest. I'm sorry. Please find a place where you have to forgive me. Please let me talk to your wife. Let me beg her. Please let me apologize. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please, I'm begging. Please. Forgive me.
Jessica, what are you doing here?
It's crazy. I know. But please.
I actually thought I married a straightforward man. I never knew I ended up with a dog. It was always busy with all these Nollywood actresses with big silicone bum bum. It was always coming home really tired and stressed. Look, I regret marrying him. You caused it.
How? Your mom never liked me because I was a son of nobody.
You were busy with silly ass, naughty ass deals. How the hell is she supposed to like you? One sec.
Gambo.
I have a message on my phone. Wait.
Hello, Ivy. My name is Buki and I'm so sure you don't know what's going on.
Who's this?
I'm pregnant for your husband and we're getting married soon, okay? So I'm so glad I'm making this video for you today because I'm sending it to you immediately.
Oh my god.
Ever since you gave birth to your daughter, you've not been able to give birth again. You're so barren. Your husband is the son of his mother and you can just give him one girl and just expect him to be like that too. I'm so sure he didn't tell you I'm pregnant and we're getting married soon.
Oh my god.
So please get ready.
Is this for real?
See who you left me
Is
for?
this for real? I mean,
It was nice talking to you, miss. Bye.
This face is familiar. She's an actress.
she's an actress.
She's an actress.
I said it! My husband has been sleeping with actors.
That's who you left me for.
He has been sleeping with actresses.
Sorry, babe. Sorry. But I got you.
Sleeping with actresses.
I got you. I got you. No, well, you have me here. I will always be here with you, babe.
I knew it. Forgive me. Please.
I should forgive you, Jessica.
Yes, please.
I should forgive you. You nearly killed me.
I know.
You poisoned my food.
I know.
And you're asking me to forgive you.
Please. Please forgive me.
Jessica, just go. Alright? Just go. I don't know how you got in here. Just go. Just leave. Just go, okay?
Please, I know you, but you didn't die. Please. You're everything I have. Please, I beg you. Please, forgive me. Please. Please, forgive me. I'm so sorry. Please, baby.
Jessica, what did I do to you?
I'm sorry.
You tried to kill me.
You know.
Even if I did the worst thing to you, was that what you had to do to me to kill me? Won't you even think about our daughter?
I know. It's crazy, I know. Please. You're all that I have. I can't even do without you.
No, I'm not.
Please.
No, Jessica, just go.
Forgive me. Please. I beg you. Baby. Sonia. Please beg your daddy. Please. Forgive me.
It's a pity. But then thank God I didn't lose a son. And you would have lost a husband.
I'm sorry.
Thank God. It's okay.
I'm sorry, mommy. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Please. Forgive me, Sonia, baby. Please, come here, please. Forgive me. My sweetheart. Please.
This is not
Thank you.
Baby, what is the matter? what has come over you. Don't forget days when we used to be together like bread and butter, loving each other. Oh baby, all the good times with sweet memories we shared together, but I can't explain what have come over you. Can you please listen to me? Cause I need you back. Cause I need you back the way we used to be. Can you please give me a listening ear? Cause I need you back. I need you back. I find it hard to let you go, cause I know we are meant to be together.